Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling essentials: official transcripts, the receiving department's transfer policy, and current program requirements. Once done, open a shared checklist and add deadlines for application, transcript requests, and an advisor meeting within 2 weeks. Make sure to identify a staff contact and prepare basic student data, ID, course codes, and grades. Because time matters, prioritize documents that need official routing. This gets the process moving immediately and prevents avoidable delays when approvals. You now assess what transfers, request detailed syllabi and learning outcomes from the sending institution, then line them up with your program's course descriptions. As you map, flag mismatches and competency gaps and rate each course on a department rubric or a 1 to 4 transferability scale. Once rated, prepare a rationale memo for courses needing manual review and route it to curriculum committee or faculty reviewer. This evidence-based mapping speeds approvals and reduces back and forth later. You complete the process by submitting the full packet: forms, syllabi, mapping memo, and official transcripts, then follow up to ensure credits post to the student record. Once posted, notify the student and assigned advisor so degree plans update accordingly. If a course is denied, immediately request written rationale and provide clarified learning outcomes or propose alternate equivalencies. Escalate to chair only if needed. This final check closes the loop and gives you a clear remediation path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.